I'm going to be showing you how to set up automatic bidding on eBay. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So let's start with how automatic bidding actually works. So you don't keep bidding manually, so that's what automatic bidding is, and you enter the maximum amount you're willing to pay. So eBay automatically bids for you in small increments until that max. So now how you can set it up is you just need to open your auction bidding or listing, the one you want. So you just need to find the one that is auctioned. So as you can see, you can bid on this. Just go ahead and open it. Once you've done so, you have this option right here that says place bid. Just tap there and just place your maximum bid, and eBay handles the rest. And tap on confirm bid. You can also increase your max bid, and there you go. You also need to remember that you cannot turn off auto bidding. It's built into auctions, so always enter your true maximum and don't keep increasing manually. You also need to decide your real max, enter it once, and don't watch the auction emotionally. So this is how you set up automatic bidding on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.